Ramogi TV.
Kapodwa ntiere weche matimore kod kweth ma linda mwananchi. County Commissioner Homa Bay Ronald Miwawi okawo josiasa machano bedo gi romb gi county no owe ting'o rowere mamiyo gi arita ni mano ema nyalo kelo tule e gwengego. Miwawi osingo chiwo arita moromo e kinde romo ma linda mwananchi midhi bage boma Homa Bay Jumapil kokwayo jokanyo duto mondo miyo nyakwe. Magi timore kinde Obila Homa Bay ondhiyo gari kod ji adek e iye kane gin kod gige lweny.
Today, in a bid to stop what these people are talking of preparing themselves for, we have been able to impound the Nissan vehicle we are seeing here, Wedge. I don't know if it's a Wedge or whatever it is, KDT 096C. In it, it had occupants carrying the crude weapons that we are seeing here before us. You can see 2 pangas and 1 kitchen knife. These ones, we pounded them today from at a point called Nyangoso. We assume or presume they are coming from the Kisumu Homa Bay route. Yeah.
How many have been arrested?
We have 3. 3, plus the impounded vehicle. If you are coming for a meeting, come with a clear agenda. Give us your economic development model. Give us your education policy, but you don't need to prepare young men for a war, because we are not in any war.
Kapodwa ntiere weche mag siasa. Ogai ma DCP Rigathi Gachagua kod jatend Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka